Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. We're diving into a topic that's incredibly important but often overlooked: plus-size traveling. Everyone deserves to explore the world, regardless of size. Yet many plus-size travelers struggle to find inclusive and comfortable options while traveling. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, we've got you covered with some essential tips and tricks to make your journey smooth and stress-free. First things first, let's talk about packing. When you're packing for a trip, it's crucial to choose clothing that's comfortable and versatile. Look for pieces made from breathable fabrics with a bit of stretch to accommodate your body comfortably. And don't forget to pack items like compression socks to keep you feeling energized during long flights or road trips. Another pro tip is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. This not only maximizes space in your suitcase, but also helps prevent wrinkles, so you'll arrive at your destination looking fresh and ready to explore. Next up, let's talk about accommodations. When booking hotels or Airbnbs, it's essential to do your research and look for accommodations that are plus-size friendly. This might mean opting for rooms with larger beds or requesting accommodations like shower chairs or extra-wide doorways if needed. Many travel websites now offer filters specifically for plus-size travelers, making it easier than ever to find accommodations that meet your needs. Now, let's talk about navigating airports and airplanes. Air travel can be particularly challenging for plus-size travelers, but there are several strategies you can use to make the experience more comfortable. For example, don't hesitate to request a seatbelt extender when you board the plane. Flight attendants are there to assist you and ensure your safety, so don't be afraid to ask for what you need. Additionally, consider booking an aisle seat for extra legroom and easier access to the restroom. And if you're concerned about fitting into the seat comfortably, some airlines allow you to purchase an extra seat at a discounted rate. Finally, remember to embrace your body and enjoy your travels to the fullest. Traveling is about experiencing new cultures, trying delicious food, and making unforgettable memories. Don't let worries about your size hold you back from exploring the world. That's all for today's video, folks. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!